मेघालय के गृह मंत्री लखमेन रिम्बुई ने शिलांग में एक पूर्व उग्रवादी नेता को पुलिस द्वारा गोली मारने के मामले में हुई हिंसा के बीच गृह मंत्री के पद से उन्हें मुक्त करने की पेशकश मुख्यमंत्री से की है, जिस पर प्रतिक्रिया देते हुए मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड संगमा ने कहा कि गृह मंत्री ने अपनी पार्टी से विचार के बाद उन्होंने गृह मंत्रालय से उन्हें मुक्त करने की गुजारिश की है, परंतु अभी तक उनकी गुजारिश पर फैसला नहीं किया गया है। सभी नजरिए से समीक्षा करने के बाद इस पर सही समय पर फैसला लिया जाएगा। गृह मंत्री लखमेन रिम्बुई के इस्तीफे के पेशकश पर अभी तक फैसला नहीं किया गया है। मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड संगमा ने कहा, सभी नजरिए से समीक्षा करने के बाद इस पर सही समय पर फैसला लिया जाएगा। उपद्रवियों द्वारा पुलिस की गाड़ी और हथियार छीनकर भागने के मामले में मुख्यमंत्री
I have received the letter from the Honorable Home Minister, but I have not yet made a decision. So I'll be examining the matter and will take a decision at the appropriate time. The Honorable Home Minister, after discussion with his party colleagues, has submitted, and the discussion that they had submitted the letter to me. Not resignation, but asking himself to be relieved from the home portfolio. But as I said, as a chief minister and as a government, I have to look at all the aspects of the state's security and overall situation. So therefore, keeping all those aspects in mind, I am examining the letter that has been given and will take a decision at the appropriate time. That letter. Yeah, so please don't, I request if the words like this are not put into the question also, because it gives a wrong impression to others. Let's stick to the actual words he used. I mean, is my suggestion, because it leads to a lot of confusion. Yeah, it's because you're using the word as was not done as per law. That was not mentioned in the letter by the Home Minister. Yeah, so yeah, you cannot, yeah. I'm just saying that don't use if you don't know it, because it's wrong. It sends a wrong message. See, as we said, that overall the situation that unfolded in front of us was done and by the police department and the DGP and all the others who were involved in the decision making. And yes, at all levels, we have been very clear with the police department that the number one priority and number one responsibility that is there for the police and the Home Department is to ensure that the citizens of this city and the citizens of our state are safe. And based on that, we have asked them to accordingly move and ensure that that priority is kept in mind. But at the same time, as I said, the different operations and different movements do take place. And in the whole process, as I said, the intention was very clear in the time also, was to arrest the concerned person. So in these kind of instances, it's not always that the operations sometimes go according to what the plan is. And in this kind of situation also, the same thing happened. What I'm trying to say is that a lot of operations do happen, and there could be or there could not be a situation where the information was given or not given. So let the committee look into this, and that's the reason why, after looking at all these facts, we've decided that judicial inquiry should be done. Let the judicial inquiry come out with its report.